Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel. Welcome to Bruce Mines, Ontario, a small town located along the north shore of Lake Huron. This charming place got its name from the nearby copper mines and James Bruce, who was Governor-General of Canada in the 1850s. Bruce Mines was the site of the first successful copper mine in the country, with operations starting back in the early 1840s. The town grew quickly as miners from Cornwall, England, and even some from Michigan came to work here. Today, you can still see reminders of that past in the old mine sites and local museum. With its lakeside views and historic charm, Bruce Mines is a relaxing stop along the Trans-Canada Highway. Whether you're here for the history, the scenery, or just a quiet place to pause, Bruce Mines is worth a visit. Thank you for joining us on this tour of Bruce Mines, Ontario.